So good morning, everyone. Today, I think we have a few book reviews pending. Uh, Enrollment number 102 was supposed to do it today. Okay, he left the moment I said, "You don't want to give the book review, that's fine." All right. Well, if they join us, then we'll do the book review. Otherwise, the next in line, the topic that we have in line next is public speaking. So I hope you have selected a topic. If you have not, meanwhile we wait for our friends to join. What you can do is, you can go to the list of topics that I have already provided to you. It's a list of 100 topics. Right? I can see some of you have already made a choice. If you have made a choice, well and good. If not, I'm giving you 5 7 minutes of time. Yet you can also, if you feel like changing the topic, you may also change it right away. I don't mind doing that. Right, we don't mind doing that. So I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. Let us see if our friends join or not, and then we'll see what we can do. It's a 5 minutes to go back to the public speaking topic list, and then get a choice or make a choice. If you have made a choice and you're not sure about it and you want to change, you can still change it. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. And by now you must have had a look at the topic and would have selected one for the same, because we're going to do public speaking next. Remember, whenever we're talking about things in unit number 3, we were more talking about things that were practical based and not theory based, right? So this lab sessions that we have, these lab sessions that we have, they are meant for this practice and practical things. We cannot just learn what is public speaking without giving a public speech, right? So what we are supposed to do now is, in this lab session, let's prepare our speech. Let's prepare our speech. So how, what are we going to do? One, if you look back at the theory of public speeches, it was said that the beginning should be quite interesting. If your beginning is quite interesting, then half the battle is won. All right. So how do I begin? So whatever topic you have selected, you need to give it a very nice beginning. You can begin with a quote, a few lines from a poem, or you may start with a little story which is associated with the topic. You know, you can link the topic to that story, right? Remember, I have said that a minimum of 3 minutes is what you have to speak. 3 minutes is a long time, right? All of you, most of you over here have done your book review, and from that I think you would have understood, not even not only book review, but we have also tried to do group discussion. So you could have understood the value of every minute that you put in, right? But it does not mean that you beat around the bush and you repeat the same thing in different kind of sentences. So what we need to do today right away is, I see most of you have selected, made a choice of your topic. If you have not, you still have time, don't worry. Let's prepare an outline of the speech. Right, today we'll prepare the outline of the speech. So first thing that you need to do is, you need to find out, let's say somebody has selected, the person is not there, but somebody has selected a topic called robots now and in the future. It's Deven who he is absent today, right? So robots now and future, how would I start with this topic? What am I going to talk about? Am I going to tell a story? Am I going to recite a few lines? Am I going to use a quote? So what are you going to use in the beginning, right? Then in the middle, I don't want you to frame the whole thing word by word or line by line. I want you to make points. So let's say robots, and the topic is robots now and in the future. So maybe I can start with the past. Then I'll talk about the present kinds of robot or robotic technologies that are available. And then I'll talk about the futuristic parts. I want you to make an outline. Outline means, let's say, the introduction or the starting. What will I do? I'll narrate the story of, let me say I want to talk about a journey of the 1,000 miles can start with a single step, right? So I want to talk about the story of a spider who wants to reach to his web. He keeps on falling, keeps on trying. You know, I'll start with that story. So you can just write a note, small note in the introduction. I'll start with the story of the spider. You know what it is, right? Then next, what will I do in the main body? The first thing I'll talk about, what is a journey? What makes a journey beautiful? Now, I want you to do it in bullet points. All right, I want you to do it in bullet points. I want you to prepare. Remember, if you are preparing today, because of the less number of crowd that we have, the public, I don't know where they disappear on Fridays. Some magic happens. I don't know. Right. So if you are prepared, we'll also execute it in today's session only. I'm going to give you 15 minutes of time. It's 9:56. By 10:15, we again join back and let's see how much we have prepared. Okay. In between, if you do not have an idea, madam, I have a topic called impact of media on future. What do I do? Or maybe let's say goals are good for you. I don't know how to start. You may always drop a question and I'll try to help you out in a way which I can, what I understand, right? So I need you to first outline your speech. So you are starting with a story. So which story? You are starting with a few lines from the poem. Which poem? You're starting with a quote. Which quote? In the main body, what are the topics you're going to cover? I'm not asking for a full written speech. I'm asking for an outline. I hope you understand the difference. Outline. All right. I'm asking for an outline. Fine. So I'm giving you 15 minutes of time. We'll join back again. Like we're here only, but we'll start our work by 10:15. I hope we have worked something out by now. Have we worked out the outline? A yes and no can help me. Thank you for replying. It feels good if somebody replies from the other side. Otherwise, usually the teachers would say, "Am I talking to the walls?" I would have to say, "Am I talking to the screen?" Dialogue stays, but things change. Right? Do we need some more time? Fine, I'll not ask you to execute the public speech right away. Would that be fine? Good enough? Let me do one thing. You've been sincerely here with me each lecture, every lecture session, lab session, right? Uh, we're not executing the public speech right away, but we are working on it. And I'm still giving you 10 more minutes. Just tell me whether you have worked out something about it or not. Just update I'll take. Right? I'll not ask you to do anything today. I'll not ask you to give the public speech today. But have you worked it out or not? That is what you tell me, right? 10 more minutes. Something, whatever you work out. Right now, I think we should have something planned out, something worked out, something that you are doing. See, don't worry, I'll not ask you to read how much you have done. All right, we have done something. A yes and no. Yes, fine. So don't worry because today we are less number of people. I'm not going to drag further the session. I will not be working further. But what I want you to do is this is a speed start that I have given to you, where you have worked out a little things, and in the next lab session we'd like to do a practical of it. We'll be practically giving public speeches, right? Whatever number of people are there, we'll do it. Right now, if anybody is, I don't remember whether anyone's book review is pending. Out of the five of you present, anybody's book review pending? Sure. I think Shubham, I think your book review is pending. Do you wish to give your book review right now? No. When will you give it? Next lab? All right, you can also do one thing. If you do not wish to do it in the lab session, you may record your book review. When you are presenting, you can do a screen recording and you can send the recording to me, right? In case you are not willing to do it in the lab session. I have already taken your attendance and we'll call it a day over here today. In the next lab session, when you are prepared with the fine, thank you, Shubham. So in the next lab session, uh, you should be prepared with your public speech. And this time I'm not giving any particular order. This person first, this person second. We'll do it voluntarily. Okay, with the number of people present, we'll do it voluntarily. So you say, ma'am, I want to go first, you go first. And if then still nobody does it, then I'm always there to do it, right? So we'll call it a day over here. I hope you prepare. I'll not give time for preparation of public speech in the next lab. We'll directly begin with the book review, and after the book review, obviously because Shubham is going to give the book review, he won't do his public speech first. So any one of you do it, and then we'll go on. All right? Should that be fine? Does it sound okay? Yeah, fine. So have a nice day. Please be prepared with things. In case, again, I'm reminding, in case you have not uploaded your certificates for the Coursera course, kindly complete the work. By the 30th of this month, we need to submit that, 30th of September. In case you have still not submitted your resume and cover letter, kindly complete that work as well. Right? Try to complete whatever is pending by the 30th of this month. Fine. Also, because I feel that some of us are facing problems about uploading it in the Google Drive, I'll be sending a Google form similar to the one we did for our Engineers Day activity. I'm going to send you a Google form by Tuesday so that you can upload your stuff there as well. Right? Fine. So thank you, class. Have a nice day and be well prepared for the public speech in the next session. Thank you.